Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia and I'm a full-time newborn photographer here in Bangalore, and today I'm here with some amazing video that can help you out because of the current situation in many cities because of the COVID-19. It's gone under lockdown or partially shut down. So what am I gonna do today? I am gonna help you in how you can do a newborn photo shoot at home, and yeah, so that's what the video is all about. And let's get into the further details as to how and what are the details and what you should be knowing to do a newborn basic session at home without any sort of equipments as in properties, bowls, certain wraps. I'll just help you out. And so yes, let's begin with the details. So guys, before I start with how to do a newborn session at home, there's certain details, as I said initially, that you will have to follow. So let's get into it. The first one that you have to know about a newborn session, a newborn photo shoot, is when and how many days should you be doing a newborn session. Session should be done within 5 to 15 days old. Why is that? Is because that is the duration for a child wherein the baby would be sleeping well. You can do the poses and things, but I'm not gonna give you very tough poses and everything. It's just gonna be basic. Second point, when can you do it? Not just the dates, how old, when can you do it, as in when the baby is sleeping, probably post shower in the morning. Post shower, you feed the baby, they will get into a deep sleep. That is when you can actually do a session. Maybe just do a normal wrap, make the baby lie down on a nice white cloth, plain. You can just put a nice plain bed sheet on your bed and make the baby lie down. So I'll help you out in the further steps. Second, the third one would be safety. Safety, not just in terms of sanitizing and all of that. Safety is to handle a baby. It's a newborn. So anything you do with a newborn is very risky. You have to know how to hold the baby, how to handle a newborn child. So that thing is very important. So let me tell you how to hold a newborn when you're doing a session. So how do you handle a baby, a newborn? Here I have my stand-in baby, and I'm going to show you how do you handle a newborn. First thing first, you will always have to keep a support, back or head or however. See, this is how you hold it. I'll just turn it up and show you this way as well. Here. So this is where you should make sure that you always have a support to the baby's head, and you always hold the baby from down underneath them. You hold them that way, and you always have a support towards the neck. This is how you have a support here. So that's the first safety measure. You cannot just bend the hands of the babies just like that. No, they are very delicate. They are newborn. So in case you don't know certain things, I would just recommend you not to do it until and unless you're sure about things. And yeah, so in my next video I would also be showing you how to wrap a simple wrap at home. So for that you will have to wait. Let me tell you few more details. So the next thing which comes down is lightings. You need not need to have any sort of artificial lightings. You just can do the session during the day with the natural lightings, and you can do it over your phone, over your cameras, however convenient. Next one would be properties. Do you actually need properties now? As soon as I say a newborn photo shoot be done at home by the mothers, by the parents and things, first thing you will say that you don't have properties with you. Where would you make the baby lie down and things? Well, you don't need any of those. you can just do a normal, simple, beautiful, elegant photo shoot for your baby at home without any sort of properties, without any other things that you would require. So these are the basics which I can tell you, and how you do that I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you in the next session of how you can do without any sort of properties. Just one wrap should be enough, and your rompers that you can have it for your child, which you will have it generally, and that's it. And with the natural light, with what you have, with the safety measures, as I said, to be holding the baby on the neck, with all of these details, I'll give you further help on to how you can do it at home. Knowing the further details, all that you'll have to do is like, share and subscribe to my channel, not just my YouTube. You can go ahead and follow my Insta handle. I have two pages. One is Casper Photography and the other one is Newborn Photography Bangalore. Both of those are my website, and I would give you more of tutorials based newborn home photo shoot to be done on my Instagram handle, which is both on Casper Photography as well as Newborn Photography Bangalore. So yes guys, I'll just very soon I'll see you with my next video onto how to wrap a newborn baby at home and photograph them. So until then, stay safe, be careful, keep your mask on. Bye bye.